Seniors, take these 3 vitamins for stronger legs fast. If you're struggling with weak, stiff legs or poor balance, you've been misled. You've been told that your leg weakness is just a natural part of aging. But here's the real story. It's not just age. It's likely a silent deficiency in 3 critical vitamins your body needs to rebuild leg strength. And here's what nobody is telling you. These vitamins are natural, inexpensive, and effective. But the reason you don't hear about them is because there's no profit in fixing the real cause of your leg problems. The truth is, these vitamins can dramatically boost your leg strength, reduce pain, and help you regain balance fast. Let's talk about what these vitamins are, how they work, and how to use them to rebuild stronger legs, starting tonight. The hidden cause of leg weakness. If you're in your 60s or older, you've probably noticed that simple tasks like walking, standing up, or climbing stairs are becoming harder. Most people chalk this up to getting older, but in reality, it's often a sign of muscle loss or sarcopenia, which can be caused by a deficiency in essential nutrients. When your body is missing the right vitamins, your muscles and nerves can't repair themselves properly, leading to weakness, pain, and imbalance. But don't worry, today, we're revealing the 3 most important vitamins every senior over 60 must take before bed to rebuild leg strength fast. These nutrients are scientifically backed, easy to incorporate into your routine, and could change the way your legs feel within days. Vitamin number 1, Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is one of the most overlooked nutrients when it comes to leg strength. It plays a crucial role in nerve health and muscle activation, ensuring that your brain can communicate with your muscles effectively. Without enough B12, nerve damage can occur, and that's when the problems begin. Your legs start to feel weak and unsteady, and balance issues arise. As you age, your body becomes less efficient at absorbing B12 from food, especially because stomach acid production decreases, making it harder to extract B12 from protein-rich foods like eggs, meat, and fish. As a result, up to 43% of seniors are low in B12, often without even knowing it. A lack of B12 affects the myelin sheath, a protective layer around your nerves. Without it, your nerve signals weaken, leading to symptoms similar to early Parkinson's or diabetic neuropathy, such as numbness, tingling, and leg cramps. But here's the good news. Taking B12 before bed can help fix this. It's when your nervous system does most of its healing, and giving your body B12 at night can boost nerve repair, muscle control, and strength. If you're finding this information helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more expert-backed health tips coming your way to help you stay strong and active. Don't miss out. Vitamin number 2, Vitamin D3. Most people know that vitamin D3 is important for bone health, but did you know it's also essential for muscle repair and strength? Especially as we get older, vitamin D3 becomes one of the most critical nutrients for rebuilding muscle, particularly in the legs. Unfortunately, over 70% of seniors are deficient in vitamin D3, and they often don't even know it. When your D3 levels are low, it directly affects your muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to build and repair muscles. The muscle recovery process slows down dramatically after 60, which means even basic movements like walking can leave you sore. But when your D3 levels are restored, this process speeds up, helping your body rebuild stronger muscles. In fact, a 2020 study found that seniors who took D3 before bed saw a 19% improvement in leg strength and 34% fewer falls over 3 months. What makes vitamin D3 so effective at night is its ability to activate muscle receptors that support strength and stability while you sleep. During deep sleep, growth hormones are released, and vitamin D3 helps muscles repair themselves faster during this time. But there's a catch. You can't rely on sunlight alone, as your body produces 75% less D3 from the same exposure after age 60. That's why supplementing with 2,000 to 4,000 international units of vitamin D3 each night is crucial for seniors to keep muscles healthy and strong. Vitamin number 3, Vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is a game changer when it comes to rebuilding leg strength. It's not as well known as the other 2, but it might be the most powerful nutrient for seniors. While vitamin K1 helps with blood clotting, K2 works deep within your muscles and bones to redirect calcium where it needs to go, into your bones and away from soft tissues, arteries, and joints. When K2 is deficient, calcium can build up in the wrong places, leading to stiff joints, weakened bones, and, you guessed it, weak, aching legs. But K2 does more than manage calcium. It activates muscle repair genes, encouraging your muscles to recover and rebuild, especially during sleep. A 2021 study found that seniors who took K2 saw a 21% increase in quadriceps strength and a 31% improvement in balance within just 8 weeks. This is huge, and when taken at night, K2 works alongside vitamin D3 to ensure that calcium is distributed properly in the body. K2 also helps improve glucose metabolism inside muscles, which is crucial for seniors dealing with poor circulation or prediabetes. It supports muscle glycogen replenishment overnight, which means stronger legs the next day without soreness or fatigue. Conclusion: rebuilding leg strength doesn't require extreme exercise or expensive medications. With the right vitamins and a few simple changes to your routine, you can improve muscle strength, reduce leg pain, and stay independent. Start with B12, D3, and K2 tonight and see the difference within just a few weeks. Don't let age control your legs. Take action now to keep them strong for years to come. If this video helped you understand how to take control of your leg strength, like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below if you have questions or want personalized suggestions. We read and reply to every comment, and we're here to help you rebuild stronger, healthier legs starting tonight.